Do you get nervous when you try a new conditioner for the first time? You can see my hands can't even get through my hair at all. I'm reviewing the Garnier Ultimate Blends Rice Water Infusion and Starch Conditioner. Let's see how quickly this can detangle my hair. I used a little at first, and then I thought, oh, as usual, I need a lot more because the slip is just not slipping enough yet. I mean, conditioner, I usually add quite a lot. However, I usually make my own rice water rinses at home, but I thought, why not give this one a try? You do need to leave it in your hair for a few minutes before it catches. Maybe because my hair is low porosity, it needed a bit more time to penetrate the cuticles, but this is my experience. Application and how it feels. I started at the roots and worked my hands down the shafts of my hair to the ends because I have knots mostly at my roots. I'm not saying it's not knotty all the way down my hair, but the roots are where it's a major problem. It feels normal like every other conditioner. It smells good. Wow, just look at this. My front sections, it just detangled like what? But then let's get to the crown of the head, and it was like, no, not yet. So I let it sit in my hair for a few minutes to see what's really going on. The price of this was only about £5 at Sainsbury's, which is a normal shop. You can also find this on Amazon, Boots, or any drugstore. It is easily accessible. What is its claim? It strengthens hair, reduces breakage, and helps maintain long hair health. It actually says who it's for. People with long, fragile, or easily damaged hair. Okay, I wouldn't call my hair long. I mean, it is long, but not like waist length long. The product details say, this conditioner is inspired by the age-old tradition of using rice water for health, strength, and growth. Rice water is packed with amino acids and vitamins that help fortify hair strands, making this formula super interesting for those trying to grow longer, healthier hair. I usually do my own rice water rinse, and here you go. You can have a look at the recipe. It makes my hair feel so good. So I'm actually comparing the OG, which I make at home, to this. It's quite hard to compare the two because that one is amazing. So if this can work as well without the smell sometimes of it going bad, I had to start detangling with a brush. Some conditioners that I use, I can finger detangle before I even get my wet detangling brush. But this one seemed to really need a brush. Now this product, the details say, while the hair grows, it is exposed to numerous environmental aggressions, which can damage the fiber. The protective layer of the hair, called the cuticle, is opened. This happens when you have high porosity, when you have heat damage, when you put hair dye in your hair. You really want your cuticles to be closed, and that means it's healthy. When they're open, it means anything can get in and destroy the hair. Now, their claim is our new Garnier Ultimate Blends for long hair enriched with rice water and starch retains and locks in hydration for instantly replumped looking hair. The hair fiber is intensely smoothed, cuticles are sealed and perfectly reflect light. Wow. So this is actually good if you are in a hot area and the sun is beating down at your hair. I mean, of course, the light in our houses, you can have UV light, but outside the sun can do that. However, I am originally from Zimbabwe, and let me tell you, the sun made my hair so much better. I don't know what it is, but my hair thrives on the sunlight. The heat just made my hair softer. When I moved to England, I don't know if the water's hard, and my hair was just like, why does it feel like straw all of a sudden? So it took a lot of work for me to understand, I need products that lock in moisture, like what this is claiming to do. I need products that can sustain the hard water. I need to use a clarifying shampoo to really get my hair clean so it feels like the new products can penetrate into my hair and work their magic. Otherwise, I'm getting product buildup, dry scalp, all sorts of funny things that I had dry scalp when I lived in Zimbabwe, but it wasn't itchy sometimes like how it is in England. You can really see though, with the detangler brush, it is just gliding through. It wasn't stressful. I wasn't tugging at my hair. It was quite easy. Normal conditioner. I wouldn't say, yeah, this is the top notch and I got to buy this all the time. But let's see how my hair looks after we've done this. However, the detangling is all right with a brush. If you finger detangle, that's another story. Back to the claim. So they say you should get smoothness and 72 hour of high shine. Okay. With 97% natural origin ingredients. So here are the ingredients for you to look at. This light cream is silicone free, easy to dose, and melts into your hair. I mean, I can't complain. It does work very well. Is boosted with plant-based active and helps to detangle long hair. So your claim is detangling. Yeah, I'm going from root to tip and it's not bad. It's not amazing, but it's not bad. Mixed with starch, able to absorb 10 times its weight in water. Wow, so this is major hydration. Yeah, it should really hydrate our curls. If you have dry hair, the first thing you need is water before you apply a product. You might also want to use a styling product that has water in. It locks in hydration to prevent humidity and frizz. There's no artificial colorants, vegan, there's no animal-derived ingredients, and it's not tested on animals. These beach wave curls, I love them. Look at how good it looks, right? So the consistency of this product, I'd say, is creamy and not overly thick, but normal conditioner consistency. The scent, it's got a fresh scent and it smells good. It does smell good. It doesn't smell like rice water at all, because when I do a rice water rinse, I add tea tree oil or something to help it smell better. Because once I did rice water and I let it ferment, I don't know, 3-4 days. My goodness, or even a week, I can't remember. My hair smelled like sick. And the smell isn't overpowering at all. It's not a harsh smell. It's just fresh, you know. Now, rinsing it out was pretty easy. When it came to the water, yeah, my fingers just glided through. You can see it wasn't a problem at all. Now, the results, the wet results, I'm quite happy with it. For the price, it's very good. And if it can help my hair grow, it's even better, right? However, I must say, because this is a protein treatment, I would not recommend you using this every week. You don't want protein overload because that can damage your hair. I actually looked up some reviews on the Boots website and most of them were good. You can see, I'm going to list them here for you. But one of them, she said, or he, I can't remember, their hair fell out. That's probably because you were using it all the time. They haven't put it on here, but rice water is a high protein treatment. If you have overload, if you use too much protein in your hair, it can fall out. If you don't have enough, it can fall out. So yes, I would suggest only using this once a month. And if you're doing protein treatments as well, don't do it the same week you're doing this. You don't want your hair to fall out. Now let's start with the pros. This is affordable and easily accessible, you know, not hard to find, and it's a good price. It smells good. It does help with detangling. It does what a conditioner should do. And it felt like my hair was soft and smooth in the shower, definitely. I had no problem. Now the cons. Because it's only a 200 ml size bottle, this isn't going to last me very long. When I have thick hair, you know, us afro, not even afro, thick, long hair, you're going to use a lot of this. I found I had to use quite a lot. And second con, it definitely needs a hair mask after this. Which is strange because this is a protein treatment. You wouldn't necessarily do a hair mask after a protein treatment, but for some reason, I needed it. And when you look at the dry results, I mean, it looks fine. It might not be hydrating enough, but that makes no sense because this has starch in it, so it should be fine. So what do I really think about this product? Is it worth it overall? I think it's a good product. Strengthening conditioner, it seems all right. I mean, I need a few weeks for me to say, oh yeah, it's made my hair look like this. It's meant to give 72-hour protection, so my hair seemed all right. I mean, maybe the styling product I used was a bit frizzy, but otherwise it was all good. What do you think? Do my curls look good? They do. Have you tried this product? Let me know in the comments below. Have you noticed a difference? And don't forget to like this video. So this is what my hair looked before I used this product, and this is what it looks after. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not like this video if it was any benefit to you, or if you enjoyed it at all? Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video? Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I will see you next time. Peace out.